Well, I was working on magazines before that.
Right. But that was Live to Ride and...
Well, the first one was... Are we R-rated or what? No?
There is no rating.
There's no rating?
No, we're good.
Okay, so you guys once again would have missed out on all of this because of the internet, but there used to be a magazine called Penthouse Forum.
No, we're not that old. We're not that young.
No. Penthouse had the girly pics in, Forum had the dirty stories.
So it was all one when we come through.
Well,
it was like
yeah.
they'd been combined by then.
Well, yeah. And anyway, they used to pay a lot of money for letters, which were all made up by people.
Yeah.
And in one case, that's one of the people who was sitting out in a mining camp, and whenever I taught myself to type, and I could make a couple of $100 writing a bunch of letters for this magazine, so I'd sort of sit here and I'd yell out, you'd have there was always a few blokes hanging around, and hey, if you were living in a house full of Swedish backpackers, who all were netball champions or something, and there was only one shower and it wasn't working very well, what would you do? And, they'd fire me their answers that quick and I'd write them all down and send it off and get another $50, So that's how it started. And then there was, this is quite embarrassing. I haven't revealed most of this.
You're embarrassed. I'm thinking like whatever we were reading at the time, this guy in the book.
Yeah, well, that's the problem.
A bunch of blokes.
Oh, listen, if you ever read anything that started out, unfortunately I was born an infomaniac. It's probably me who wrote it, some hairy bloke in a mining camp. Trust me, it's not.
Oh, that's fucking brilliant.
Yeah, well, it was a bugger, I can tell you. But then for a while I was the Star Lady. Athena the Star Lady. It wasn't Athena then, it was Xena.
What, like horoscope stuff?
Yeah, horoscope stuff for a ladies' magazine. And until I had a girlfriend at the time, I dressed her up, took photos of her. Yeah. They all thought she was doing it, and I was writing it. And I bought a box full of 1920s Smith's magazines, which is a really early Aussie magazine.
Right.
Had horoscopes in it.
Yeah.
And I thought, what can I do with this? I just rewrote it in modern form. And, and I knew some of the people in the publishing company.
Yeah.
So you'd sort of get a bit of goss and you'd chuck it in as a rumour. And I love playing with words, that was good fun.